Hello y'all, I am back. I am back with this really pretty hair. I am back with this really pretty hair. I'm just in here playing around with colors. No meaning. And I personally had to match it with my shirts because the sis is rocking her Melian shirt. Yes. So I got these colors from my shirt that I'm wearing today. Okay. Let me show y'all what I look like. If y'all can see. So I got this shirt on today with my ripped up leggings. Hey. Now I'm not a dancer. Let me stop. So that's what I have on today. The glitter that I'm wearing is this glitter by this young lady named Rita Richardson, and this is her gold glitter. I'm not for sure if she still sells glitters, but she is on my Instagram and also on my Facebook. On her Instagram, I think it's I am Hurricane Rita. This is the gold color, and it's a very gorgeous color. I have so many glitters that look the same. It's crazy. So this is what it looks like. But this one got like different colors in it. Greens and reds and yellows. Yeah, so it's like a little mixed kind of glitter. The palette that I used today was my Morphe Pride palette. I'm absolutely in love with that palette. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, she is. Okay, yeah, I'm in love with that palette. What I'm wearing on my lips is Vibing by the AOA collection on Shop Miss A. I am a sucker for a good old nude, especially when you're dark skin. Sis, this nude is where you need to be at. And I'm so happy. Look, my hands are starting to get the color back. They're not as black as they were. They still kind of dark from the chemo. Mama, because done? Almost done, baby. She's so silly. I'm gonna take her outside on her bike. So my hands are starting to get the color back. So I'm kind of excited about that. Can't wait. Oh, my skin is gonna be getting back to the regular color. So you guys stay tuned for this video. Bye. I didn't talk too long. Tell them bye-bye. Tell them peace. Peace out. Peace out. Okay, so let me talk about this wig because I don't think I mentioned it. This wig that I have on is called Ciara, and it's by Sensational Empress Lace Parting Wig, and I have it in a shade Burgundy, which is BG, right? Yeah, BG Burgundy. It's in Burgundy, and I actually got a wig. I already got this one in black already, and I wore the hell out of that one. I mean, it's so fluffy. It got so much volume. The curls are ridiculously soft. The wig is gorgeous. Look at all these curls. All these curls. It do tangle up a little bit, but once you like finger comb it, you should be good. You could brush it however you want to. This is probably like maybe 20 inches on me. I don't know how much it would be on someone else, but I am 5'8". So I'm gonna actually put all the hair to the back. It is a gorgeous like summer wig, very gorgeous, or winter wig too, whichever uh, season you want to wear it, sis. You could wear it. See how long she is? Gorgeous. She is freaking gorgeous. Yes. She tangles up a little bit, but you can always cut her short. You can throw her behind your shoulders to get her out the way of your hair. And have just a little bit here in the front because it is layered. Have a little bit in the front. And I might cut her. I'm not for sure if I'm going to cut her or not. But yeah, girl, get your hair to whatever you want with her. As long as you want to have her, your choice. But she is so pretty. She is so freaking gorgeous. Like, you can wear her to the front, like how I got it. Because, see, I break out a lot on my forehead when I have, like, you know, makeup on, or when I got hair in my face too long. This is her natural parting right here. It's actually a curved part. She really probably meant to really be on the side, because on the stock card, yeah, she's on the side on the stock card. It's on the side, so you could wear it on the side or you could wear it in the middle. This is how I like to wear her, in the middle. But you can put her on the side, which is right here. Switch her right on over, and you got that old what's that lady name from the damn, is it Roger Rabbit? Yeah, the chick from Roger Rabbit. Or you could be like the Little Mermaid, whatever you want to be, sis. And look how gorgeous her thing is. So voluptuous. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. She is so pretty. So you can wear her however you want. It's your choice. Whatever you want to do is up to you. Ciara.